A great way to get sales is to send your audience promotions and coupons for their birthday. I'm going to show you how to do this in Aweber in just a few simple steps. Let's go. First, you're going to create a sign-up form or add a new custom field to an existing sign-up form so you can capture your subscriber's birth month. I'm going to start from scratch and create a new sign-up form. I'll pick this shadow template because I like it a lot. And now I'm going to add a custom field for birth date. So I'm going to call it, or birth month. And instead of using the date field, I'm going to use a select box multiple choice because I want to tag people automatically based on the date they select so I can automate as much of this process as possible. So I'm going to fill in some choices. So I'll say January, and then I'm going to apply tags automatically for each of these selections. Anyone who selects January, I'm going to automatically tag them as January birthday. And I'm going to do that for all of the months in the year. I've finished adding all my options so I can save my form and publish. So I'm going to go to the publish, and I could either add this to my web page. If you're updating an existing form, all you have to do is save it. And I could also link directly to this form if I want to share on social media or something. Our next step is to create segments of subscribers based on their birth month. And you'll remember that we set up tags when people sign up, so a lot of this is automatic. I'm going to search for people with the tag is January birthday, and this will show me anyone who signed up and who signs up in the future while selecting January as their birth month. And I'm going to save this segment as one called January. Or maybe January birthdays. And I'll save that. I'm going to go through that same process with all of the birth months now. I've created all of my birthday segments, and now you can see that when I click on one of these, like January birthdays, it automatically does this search for anyone with the January birthday tag. Now let's create our birthday message and schedule it to send. I'm just going to make a quick, simple birthday email, but you can check out blog.aweber.com for some great birthday email inspiration. So I'll hit create message. I'm going to use the drag and drop builder. And now I'm going to pick a template. Now we have a lot of different templates that you can use for your e-commerce messages and for birthday messages. But I'm going to use one called Party Animals. It's built for birthdays and it has some really fun illustrations. So I'm going to click on Party Animals. This is my template, which I could go in and customize however I want. Leave a coupon. Like you can see here, the code is Happy B-Day. Now last thing, I'm going to add my subject line. Let's say a birthday gift, exclamation point. And now I'm ready to schedule my messages. Now we're almost done. The last step is to schedule these emails to your subscribers. So I'm going to create 12 copies of this draft. So all I have to do is hit this copy button. Now the last step is scheduling. I'll hit the send options and schedule a broadcast. This one is going to be my January group. So I need to select my January segment. I'll hit edit on who should receive this message. And then I just want to select my January birthdays. And again, anyone who's in that segment now or anyone who signs up in the future selecting January as their birth month will automatically be added to that segment. Now I need to schedule it. I'm going to schedule it for January 22nd. And now I can just schedule that message. And it is going to go out on January 22nd. And you can see that right here. It's scheduled for January 22nd, 2021. Let's just do one more. So I'll go back to my drafts. And this will be my February send. So I'm going to go in here, schedule a broadcast. I'm going to select the February birthdays and schedule this for February 1st at 9:35. I'll hit apply, schedule that. And now you can see that I have my January birthday send scheduled for January 22nd and my February birthday send scheduled for February 1st. I've set up all my birthday emails to go. You can see this is going to people with January birthdays because it's sending to the January birthday segment and will be sent in January. This one is my May segment, and it's being sent on May 1st. Now I don't have to worry about these birthday emails for the whole year. Good luck setting this up. I can't wait to hear about the impact it has on your business. Leave a comment if you have questions or feedback, and thank you so much for using Aweber.